كان قدين أو ضد كان قدين أو بدن قرحة بدن أو مال والبا أن قدين أو إثيوبيا كين مسوهم قريه سنيسو وضعيف نقولني وحن ضعيف نقولنا من نما نلقى إياه ورنتان تشنو وذان مجرو مد وحبرتين مجرو مد ما أغلى مجرو نول بهالكي وحكونا على وشاس وشقياهم قري ما فهمت مركا ولا ليالو واحد اللي يا سومالي أن تشني مارسو كان وحن لهذا ليا لأن يرد وحبرتي أو جامعة كبحي نمن كان international community especially Kenya and Ethiopia we understand everything you very hardly you trying to take Somalia but you will not take in Somalia until we leave this generation we know everything America and English you try to give them our country in Ethiopia or Kenya we everything we know we come after you guys we're gonna discuss it with you in Somalia and what should I say like genocide that's the ultimate that's only that country you can take only genocide if you want to do genocide in Somalia you can do it because you have the power this government country is a very beautiful country but I don't understand why Kenya and Ethiopia and America and English all this Western European what they want from Somalia this is poor country and have no nothing at all no gun no oil no nothing what you so busy very busy in international community are you saying we do and we fix it we do this we fix it 26 years we tired of you my friend so international community especially in Ethiopia and Kenya abdi afi malila kan xunka oo Ethiopia maya abdi kan oo iska dhiga khatarta iska dhiga oo aniga waxaan u joogaa UN kan u joogaa oo Kenyatiga abdi waxa la yiraahdaa abdi afi iya abdi ilay iya gabra all of you we understand you whatever you want to do in Somalia so don't think we know you every step you take over and Somalia are you trying to do that are you willing to do that you want to take my country you want to take my people you want to take my economic even Turkey you take all economic and you saying I help you you take money from the school you take money of the and the airport you take money of the sea you pay everything you own money and you saying I help you you don't help me nothing at all Turkey America English all international community take out in your all bullshit or sickness or disease you have and poison you put the money and the sea and we know everything and one day we're gonna win don't forget Allah with us Al-Jaww Jalla Jalalu with us and one day you're gonna take out in Somalia so please international community leave us alone please we're tired of you we don't do anything you don't do to us anything at all please and please we begging you we have no power we are poor country leave us alone Hassan Sheikh wiilkaaga waxaad u dhibatay intaas oo milyan Djibouti ayaad ka furatay banki xagee aadaysaa ma xasuusataa ninkii boqorka ahaa oo adduunkan haysan jiray oo Sacuud maartay Masar iyo ilaa iyo waqti haysan jirtay ilaahay wuxuu u soo diray quraansho yar baa sanka ka gashay maskaxda u fariisatay daawadiisa maxay noqotay kobta la gasta in lagu garaaco ogow ilaahay inuu ka dambeeyo nin walba oo wadanka masaakiinta dhaca oo xoolaha dhaca oo kaligiisu ka fikira calooshiisu ka fikira iyo gudgiisu ka fikira xildhibaan tuug basaas kuwan basaasyada ah oo saddexda kun qaato oo Kenya loo u dir waraqa loo dhiibo basaaska ah qof kasta waa la socnaa basaasinta tuugada munaafiqiinta gaala jacayl oo aan tukanin oo Allah rasuul aqoon oo diintana ka tagay abni markaasaad iimaan helaysaa amniga waxaan ku heli karnaa anoo gacanta is qabsano oo diinta Ilaahay u soo noqono oo shariicada islaamka ku dhaqna wassalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaah